One day, Piglet was playing in the mud. "Sweetie, you need a bath," said Mommy Pig. Piglet shook his head. No, baths are no fun." So he ran outside to play. He went to Kitty. Kitty covered her nose. "Phew, you smell bad. I don't want to play with you." Piglet felt sad. Then he went to Bunny. Bunny frowned. You're too dirty to play with." Piglet walked home slowly. Mummy Pig smiled. "How about a warm bubble bath?" Piglet got into the tub. Bubble, bubble. Wash, wash, wash. Whoa, this feels so nice. Piglet smelled clean and fresh. His friends came back to play with him. Piglet smiled. Bath time is actually fun. Like and follow.